City. I gave you my heart. I know I hurt you, but listen. Handichada nezvako. I gave you my heart, then you played me like FIFA. Passing me around like a game with no fee. Handichada nezvako. You left me broken like a keeper, you beat love. Now I'm done, girl, this time I mean it. You said you'd ride for me, but you lied to me. Every move you made felt like tricks on a pitch to me. Yeah, you fooled me. You dribbled through my trust, girl, I can't foot her off. You passed me rough. Played with my heart like a game that wasn't tough. Your native love is loyalty, but you chose highlights. You only showed up when the spotlight was bright. I kept defending us, but you kept scoring pain. How do you win a heart you don't try to maintain? And I know I messed up, but it wasn't that simple. I was trying to keep her while you made everything difficult. I wasn't perfect. Yes, I played games and maybe I ran, but you never gave me space to feel like I can. You say I dribble you, but you push me away. Acting cold every night, disappearing every day. I wasn't trying to hurt you, I swear I cared, but love felt heavy when I was always scared. You broke my soul, you broke my peace. You used my love, you never gave me. Maybe we tried, but this love ain't healing. Baby, the truth is something we're both feeling. Handichada nezvako. I gave you my heart, then you played me like FIFA. And I'm sorry for the fever. Nilipa stress yakaita century time. Handichada nezvako. But you also hurt me deep inside. Handichada nezvako. Baropera hapa sisina kutoka. You had my love, you had my soul, you had my tears and all the control. But you played me like a game on your screen. Pushed me till I lost what loved me. Oh shit. Handichada nezvako. You played me dirty like FIFA. Handichada nezvako. I broke your trust, but you weren't my keeper. Handichada nezvako. No more dear, no more second chance.